Although not usually known for their dress watches, Rolex has always kept an elegant piece as a part of their collection. The 1908 takes this place in remarkable fashion. Its predecessor, the Cellini, has been discontinued, and in its place is a timepiece that is sure to fit the bill for those looking for a formal offering from Rolex. Let's take a look at the new Rolex Perpetual 1908, reference 52508. The timepiece has a 39mm case size that can fit nicely on almost any size wrist. At 9.5mm thin, the 1908 is sure to slide comfortably under any shirt cuff. The case comes in either yellow gold or white gold, elevating the status of this piece as Rolex has done with the Day-Date and Oyster Flex Daytonas, which are also only available in precious metals. The interior of the bezel is smooth, with the exterior being fluted, giving the 1908 a signature classy look. The dial is a combination of modern style and nods to Rolex history and tradition. The numbers at 3, 9, and 12 reflect the style of early Rolexes while maintaining legibility by them being gold applied. The small seconds gives the dial a clean yet formal look that is perfect for the 1908. This model has a black dial, but Rolex also offers a white one. Flip the watch around to reveal another recent addition to the Rolex catalog, an open caseback. The caliber 7140, a brand new in-house movement, is on display. The new movement has about 66 hours of power reserve. Each 1908 comes with a beautiful alligator leather strap that has the signature Rolex green on the back. Overall, the 1908 is a beautiful dress timepiece that is both understated and elegant. The unique hallmarks such as the new movement and small seconds gives the 1908 a special place in the Rolex catalog. For this watch and many more, visit DavidSW.com.